Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Bayesian Belief Networks, BBNs, are graphical models that represent the probabilistic relationships among a set of variables. These networks are widely used in various fields, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, and decision analysis. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to implement a simple Bayesian belief network in Python using the pgmpy library. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install the required library using the following command. A Bayesian belief network is a directed acyclic graph, DAG, where nodes represent random variables, and directed edges between nodes represent probabilistic dependencies. The conditional probability distribution of each node is defined given its parents in the graph. In this example, we have 4 variables, A, B, C, D, with directed edges indicating dependencies.